Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva like a pro. First, familiarize yourself with the intuitive drag-and-drop interface. It's incredibly user-friendly. Next, explore the vast library of over 250,000 free templates, perfect for any project. You'll also gain access to millions of stock photos, videos, and graphic elements. Organizing your designs into folders will save you valuable time later on. To elevate your designs, apply your brand kit to ensure consistent colors, fonts, and logos across all your creations. A powerful feature is the one-click background remover, which instantly isolates subjects for a polished look. Don't forget to animate elements and text to create dynamic, engaging visuals that capture attention. Plus, the Content Planner helps you schedule social media posts directly from Canva, saving you precious time. Collaboration is key for pros. Share your designs with team members to work together in real time, making feedback loops incredibly efficient. You can leave comments and provide feedback directly within the design interface, streamlining your workflow. For agencies or multiple brands, create several brand kits to maintain distinct identities. Also, use Magic Resize to instantly adapt your designs for different social media platforms or print sizes, saving you hours. Once your masterpiece is complete, downloading is simple. You can export your designs in various formats, including high-resolution PNG, JPG, and print-ready PDF. For graphics that need to overlay other content, export with transparent backgrounds. Share your creations directly to popular social media platforms or via email with just a few clicks. For physical products, utilize Canva print services to get high-quality prints delivered right to your door.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.